WNG732 broadcasts from Cross Mountain, near Love Fallen. During potentially dangerous weather situations, this broadcast will send a signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and airborne alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with the test normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. The weather radio broadcasts from WXK-46 services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blunt, Campbell, Claiborne, Cook, Granger, Hamlin, Jefferson, Knox, Loudon, Monroe, Morgan, Rome, Scott, Sevier, and Union. The WNG732 weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Campbell, Claiborne, Morgan, Scott, and Union. And now your 7-day forecast for the WNG732 listening area, including portions of the northern Cumberland Plateau. Today, partly sunny this morning, then clearing. Cooler with highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. North winds 10 miles per hour or less, with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Tonight,